Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how I can convert small letters to capital letters just by using a shortcut in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. Open your Microsoft Word and I have prepared this title for you, Beauty and the Beast. Now, as you can see, there are small letters in it. So I will convert, or we need to convert this into, or how can we convert this into uh capital letters, like all of this letter into capital letters. So first is you just need to select the text by moving your cursor from the first letter to the last letter in order to select it. Now once done, look at your keyboard and then you will find Shift key and F3 key together. Again, you can find the Shift key and F3 key. So press Shift key and F3. That's it. You have turned the small letters into capital letters. Okay, let me try another one. Let's say, for example, we have this pretty. Okay, so if you want to turn this into capital letters, then you just need to select it and then press Shift and F3 on keyboard. And that's it. You just need to press Shift and F3 on your keyboard after you have selected the word. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.